Hi everyone, welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to show you how to make super easy lemon curd. It is smooth, creamy, and delicious. You can make it in a pot and put it in the fridge and that's it. I hope you enjoy this video and I hope you can try it out. Here are the ingredients. You need about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Beat 1 egg in a bowl. Strain through a sieve into a pot. Add sugar and butter. Put over medium-low heat, stirring constantly. Until it thickens, about 7 to 10 minutes. By the way, the egg scrambles over high heat, so be careful, do not rush. Transfer into a dish, then leave to cool. Then put in the fridge until cold. And now it's done! Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.